Hi, and welcome to training for the Tririga Capital Projects. Tririga is an application used by the Department of Veteran Affairs to capture the execution of any given capital project. Some of the information captured is information regarding the project itself, contracts on the project, submittal packages, RFIs, issue items, and so on. Tririga is a web-based application, which means that you can access it from anywhere where you have an internet connection, and you will be provided with a login from your field support staff if you do not have one already. Today, we'll be going over issue items, specifically creating an issue item as a contractor, and then reviewing that issue item after you get a response back from CFM. Get logged into Tririga as a contractor. So, first thing you want to check when you're all logged in is the project data in the top right. Make sure you're in the correct project. I want to be in CFM Project 1. Giant. So we're good there. Next, find your project data menu on the left here. Within it, you're going to find the Issues menu and expand it by clicking the arrow to the right, and click Issue Items to find our issue item list. Give this a moment to load. You will be presented with a list of all the issue items in this project and contract. Click Add to begin creating a new one. Right, first thing you want to do is find the currently viewing section. Locate the contract field, follow that to the right, click on the spyglass, and we're going to select our contract to base this issue item in by clicking the radio button to the left of it and then clicking OK. Next, moving on to the general section, check the date field. It will auto-populate with today's current date. If it needs to be changed, please do so by clicking the calendar icon to the right, clicking the date you would like to be changed to. Next, in the name field, enter the title of the issue. For example, you need to preface this with an identifier to show who this is coming from. In this case, we are the contractor, so we should use the initials of our company. We'll use an example ABC, then the number 001. So this is company ABC's first issue item, and then the name of the issue item following it. Click Create Draft. Moving on down to the reference section, identify the construction class, the discipline, and the section by clicking on the spyglass to the right, expanding any areas with the plus button if you need to. This is scheduled for site remediation. The plan is regarding architectural, and we're referencing section 2. Now enter your full comments in the enter a question or response field right here, right beneath the reference section. This is where you document exactly what you think the issue is that needs to be tracked. Please be warned that this field is limited to 1,000 characters. After typing that information in, click Save, and move on to the Impact tab. So, starting at the Impact Notes section at the top here, enter all of your impact comments, whether they refer to the cost, schedule, or drawing. And then beneath that, please specify whether there are cost impact, schedule impact, or drawing impact by changing the drop-down from yes to no or no to yes, whichever is correct. So I'm going to say there is a cost impact of $5,000 in this case. And in my comments, you have a short field description if you want to put a title to the cost impact or give a short description about it. If there's a schedule impact, please identify whether yes or no. Say yes. It's going to impact schedule by 10 days. Short comment. And drawing impact, yes or no, same as before, short comment as well. If you're done filling these fields in, click Save. If there are any documents that you need to upload to this issue item, please find the Notes and Documents tab. Locate the related document section. Follow that to the right. Click the Upload button to open a new window that will let you upload your files. All you have to do is find your files on your hard drive, drag and drop them into the window. They'll be added to the list. Click Submit to upload them. The window will close when it's complete. Find your issue item and open it back up, and you will see that your file has been uploaded to your issue item. Click Save once more to commit that. After all your data is input into your issue item, please click the Issue button. So close the window. Your issue item will end up in the issued status in a moment. We can always search for it by using the name, say ABC. This will find all of the issue items for company ABC. C001 is now in the issued status. So now you can route this to someone in Tririga by using the correspondence record. You should route this to your CFM staff to notify them, either your SRE or your RE on the contract. Please refer to the correspondence video on how to do that. And next we'll go over how to review this after you get a response back from your CFM office correspondence record. After the CFM staff has reviewed your correspondence containing your issue item, we need to go in and review any comments they've said to us. So log into Tririga if you already aren't. Verify that you are in the correct project. I have him in CFM Project 1. We are good. And then find the correspondence menu on the left-hand side menu here. Click the arrow to expand it. Click on correspondence to be taken to a list of correspondences. In this case, you should be naming your correspondence the same name as your issue item, so you can type in the name of your issue item here. I know it was ABC-001. And I'll be given a single result in this case. And I'll see that my correspondence is now marked complete, which means I have a response from the CFM staff. Once the record opens up, I will need to click on the Notifications tab, right up here in the middle. Then I will find the Responses section at the bottom. And then I can click on it to view the response from the CFM staff that I sent this to. I have a response from our SRE, test user 27 in this case, saying that they have issued a change order to remedy the situation, which is perfect. So now I can go back and look for a change order, or if there's something else, I can look for that and move on forward with this issue. That is issue items in a nutshell. Thank you.